Hey team, Billy here. Today we're tackling one of the biggest questions I get asked. What size solar setup do I need for my home? Or sometimes it's, my house is 3 bedrooms, what solar kit should I get? Here's the thing, it's not about how big your house is or how many bedrooms you've got, it's about how much energy you actually use and how you use it. Step 1. Understanding your energy needs. When we talk about sizing a solar system, what we're actually doing is matching your energy use to a system that can keep up year round. So the first thing we need to do is estimate how much energy you will need to power your lifestyle. The easiest way to get started is with the GridFree off-grid solar calculator. It's a fillable form and it does a lot of the math for you. Start by listing all of your appliances in the calculator on the first column. So fridge, washing machine, lights, water pump, other devices for example. Then grab the wattage off the sticker or the appliance manual. This is how much power each one uses. Next, write down how many hours per day you typically use this. Be honest or even a little bit generous. Once you put it all in the calculator, you'll get your estimated daily energy use and our calculator will recommend a package for you. Step 2, get a recommendation. Now, the calculator is a great starting point, but it's only an estimate. Your energy usage is also tied to your lifestyle and how and when you're going to use your energy. Are you living there full time? Is it for a batch? Will there be a large seasonal demand change? We'll ask all of these questions. Then, informed by your answers and your calculator submission, we will advise you on a solution or set of solutions that are going to best suit you. To help you get started, here are some common questions we might ask you at this stage. How hands-off or how hands-on do you want to be? Some people love to monitor their system around the clock, while others prefer to only check when they have to. How flexible is your lifestyle? Are you able to choose when most of your loads run, such as doing the laundry on a sunny day? Or are most of your loads much harder to move around, such as cooking dinner for the kids? Will you have any high draw appliances? Ovens, power tools and pumps, for example, all can have a high peak power draw, which may come with extra considerations for your system that aren't accounted for in the calculator. And finally, are you open to using alternative fuel sources such as gas or wood for your space heating, water heating or your cooking? These loads account for the majority of a household's power usage, so swapping one or more of them out can significantly reduce the size of the system you need. Step 3, looking ahead. Now that you have a tailored recommendation from us, it's time to look ahead. Will your usage requirements change in the future? Are you going to need to upgrade your system later? Checking these questions off with us is the final step to make sure the system we recommend to you is going to work best long term. At this stage, we can also give you an idea of the system's ongoing costs for replacement and upgrades. So, hopefully, I've given you a good understanding of where to get started with us. Remember, at any point along the way, you're always welcome to get in touch with us, and again, we're always happy to help.